Welcome to Van Build Series 2.0. As you can see from the state of the garage, we are not ready to build a van. But Tuesday is quickly approaching, and since we're waiting on parts to arrive, we're gonna do a quick hack on the exterior to make it look badass and add some pretty good protection to it. It turns out we don't have enough tape.
So for this project, you don't need a whole lot of equipment, just really 3 main things.
And T40 bit to get the trim off. First step is to apply the painter's tape right above the trim. Then we're gonna put the painter's plastic on top of this to protect the paint of the area that we're not gonna spray. So to get this little guy off, I need to pull this back because there's some clips in here. But I just realized with this trim pieces, they have a black rubber seal. So you don't need to rip the whole panel off and worry about water getting in, because they finally resolved that problem with putting a rubber gasket on these clips to go in there, which is a huge step. Thank God Mercedes decided to do that, because that was a pain in the butt on our last van build. Practice shot. Looking good?
Looking a little spotty. What? Me. Where is that coming from?
It's coming from the can still. Yeah, it's still coming out.
I like this shirt.
Well, good thing I didn't paint, because I would have lost my favorite shirt of all time. Let me know what you think of the old man surfing here.
No one likes that. That's surfing?
Yeah, he's surfing. You never noticed? He's surfing in chocolate milk on a wooden plank board.
Never noticed.
He's literally hanging 10.
Well,
There's a wave behind him. It's a great shirt. No, I mean, why don't we go put it on a bad shirt instead of doing that again?
Well, I don't like this shirt. It's a painting shirt.
It looks like a good shirt.
It's so long. When am I going to wear this in real life?
It's a good bedtime shirt.
Unless
I'm sorry.
I want to cry.
That sucks.
Alright, I guess I'll put on my painting clothes.
Alright.
Do you guys like my painting outfit? I know. It should be on the runway.
Alright, let's do it.
Wish me luck.
Moment of truth.
You think I wouldn't be so nervous the second time around?
You got this. Oh yeah. No turning back now. Woo! Looks good.
Oh God, we forgot to clean it.
What?
We forgot to clean. Don't forget to clean it before you do it like we did.
One can done.
Please.
Man.
Fort Knox.
EcoFlow is good for power and paint protection. I mean, that's perfect.
When I met Kevin, he used to love that shirt. He still does, but I refuse to let him wear it. And today, this is the first day in a very long time that it has been out of the drawer. Hopefully, today is the last day it ever makes its way in the drawer. Last time we actually did the bumper when it was on the car, but this time it was super easy to take off. So Kevin opted to just take it off and do it this way. That way we could make sure that we weren't going to get any type of the car on the back. He's killing it.
There's a bug.
Yeah, it's because it's just wiped down and clean.
Go figure it. Little secret, don't forget to cover the radiator.
are just about a little over halfway done, and it looks like it is about to downpour. So, crossing our fingers that it doesn't do that. The final
stretch. And we're done. One final coat. We are
You're
done.
hanging 10 on a piece of wood.
Is the shirt still good? Oh no.
It's ruined.
Oh no. He knew that.
We'll have a party about this.
He secretly knew
Maybe a
that.
funeral for it, maybe not. Maybe we'll just throw it in the trash. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6
6 cans.
cans of Rust-Oleum later.
Not too bad. I think that's good. I think we did better than last year.
Yeah?
Last year we spent a lot of time practicing that.
Last 2 years ago, 3 years ago.
Oh yeah, 3 years ago. Jeez.
Alright, let's remove the plastic.
Yeah, should we let it dry first? This is not gonna hit anything. Correction, it was 7 cans of truck bed liner, not 6.
And our water tank's better than the last one.
Episode 1 is officially complete. The truck bed liner is done. We just need to do one more thing where we're gonna get it looking exactly how we want it, which is plasti dipping the wheels, make them turn black, and then the whole exterior is gonna look absolutely incredible. We can't wait for that. I couldn't help myself. I needed to put the plasti dip on the wheels, so.
But for anyone who's wondering why we do this, we, 1, like the way it looks, and 2, it helps protect the van while we're on the road from either like salt, sand, all of those kinds of things
Rocks,
that can
debris.
really nick up the paint. So not only do we like the fact that it looks like this, but it also is kind of a protective barrier for all the stuff on the road.
We had it on our last van, obviously you guys know that, and over the course of 2.5 years, the truck bed liner really didn't fade at all either, and it held up really well, so that's why we did it again.
Yeah, so we'll see you next Tuesday on the wheels.
On the wheels.